They say some spaces are meant to be passed through, not lived in, but that was before someone decided to look closer. At first, it felt like nothing, just a stretch of silence, a place where footsteps echoed a little too loudly, where shadows lingered a little too long, a forgotten in-between, the kind of space you never think twice about. Until one day, that changed. It didn't happen all at once. It started quietly, a shift in intention, a decision to stop overlooking what had always been there. Slowly, darkness gave way to warmth. Harsh emptiness softened into something deeper, something that invited you to stay. Light began to fall differently, not just to illuminate, but to reveal. Every surface, every texture, every detail started telling a story. What once felt narrow began to feel infinite. And then came the feeling you can't quite explain, the kind that wraps around you the moment you step inside, a quiet calm, a sense of presence, like time itself has slowed down just enough for you to notice things you used to miss. This is where movement becomes stillness, where silence becomes comfort, where the outside world fades and something more meaningful takes its place. It's not about what was added, it's about what was discovered, because sometimes the most powerful transformations aren't loud, they don't demand attention, they unfold gently, almost invisibly, until one day you realize everything feels different. You linger a little longer, you breathe a little deeper, you begin to appreciate the in-between moments you once rushed past. And maybe that's the point, to remind us that beauty isn't always found in grand spaces or open horizons. Sometimes it lives in the overlooked, the forgotten, the spaces in between where life quietly moves. All it takes is a shift in perspective, a willingness to see potential where there was none, to feel possibility where there was only emptiness, to turn something ordinary into something unforgettable. Because in the end, it was never just about changing a space, it was about changing the way it makes you feel.